All this money got me crazy. All these groupies want my baby. I can't help, get some self. All these
Yo, what's up, what? Where did you get this waiting area? Nigga, this apartment is 400 square feet and you got a waiting area?
Man, come on, man.
Alright, cool. It's all good. Man, what's going on, man?
No too.
I've been chilling. I don't like what you did to the place, man. You need to lighten it up a little bit. We're gonna work on that. You want something to drink?
Hey, you don't just go in the refrigerator like that.
Who is this bitch?
This bitch would beat your ass.
Bitch, you hit me, you going to jail. How about that?
Yeah,
I press charges. All right. Square up then, bitch.
Yeah.
Square up, bitch. Hating ass bitch. He's just always hating, man.
What you hating on?
Bitch, I'm trying to get something to drink. This bitch here just don't.
You can't come over here and keep disrespecting my company. Every time you come over here, you doing that.
Oh, so that's your company?
This is my house.
You know what? You ain't wrong with you, right? But she is hating though, man. It's all types of hating. I got she hating on me here. I got my grandma hating on me.
We ain't worried about no haters, man. You know what I'm saying? Haters gonna hate us.
You know what? And potatoes gonna potato.
you hating, you hating, you hating, you hating, you hating. You know what you doing? You hating, you hating, you hating, you hating, you hating, you hating. Tell me why? Tell me why? Why they hating on me? Why they hating on me? Tell me why? Tell me why? Why they hating on me? Why they hating on me? Boost it back, and I'm going to get that set. Middle finger up if you holler fuck a rat. I get it out the mud, how you gonna hate that? From the bottom to the top, bitch, nigga, take that. Free boostin', real nigga shake back. Free boostin', cause they needed that crack. That music, that get you through it. My niggas who gone, we tattooed it. And I miss my nigga, hating ass nigga shot down my thug. They hate her in the club cause she get all the attention. Now they wanna fight, sad bitches. Oh, you hate, you know what you doing? You hate, nigga, you hate, you know what you doing? You hate, tell me why? Tell me why? Why they hating on me? Why they hating on me? Tell me why? Tell me why? Why they hating on me? Why they hating on me? Why they hating on me?
I don't know why they be hating on me. I don't know why they hating on me. I don't know why they hating on me.
Who gives a damn? Fuck 'em.
Been that way for so long. Family, friends be the first to turn on you. I swear it's like a common disease, like pneumonia. But I'm gonna put that tone on you. Yeah, niggas lay to play under you. Watching every move you made, try to swap you up. I'ma catch 'em with their bait and get 'em bopped up. Get you under investigation, I know you hatin', bro. Yeah.
You know what you doing?
Why you hate?
You hate, nigga, you hate.
I'ma put the tone.
You know what you doing? You hate. Tell me why? Tell me why? Why they hating on me? Why they hating on me? Tell me why? Tell me why? Why they hating on me? 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 I'm on my shit. Now they hating on me. Why they hating on me? Why they hating on me? I'm on my shit. I got 'em hating on me. I got 'em hating on me. Talking down on. You know what you doing? Know what you doing?